Hey guys, it's Pauline. I have a couple of packages to share. So this came in yesterday, but I didn't have time to open it yesterday. Even though I was super curious about it, I didn't. So let's look at it today. So we got from Amazon. Yay! I got my ink converter. So now I just have to wait for the ink. And I don't remember when it said it's going to come in, but hopefully it's this weekend. And then I can finally use my new pen. All right, so that's that one. And then let's look at Studio Calico. This is probably my monthly kit. And then I think I had a few more stamp sets. Okay. I think I ordered quite a few stamp sets. Not sure. That must be another one. Okay. So, here is my monthly stamp. This is very nice. I like this. I like this a lot. Sometimes, you know, it's hit or miss. Most of the time, the monthly stamp is something I really like. So, get all these different icons. It's very nice. Very cute. And then, a jumping off point right here. So, very nice. All right, and then we have this one. This is super cute. All these images are cute. I like the little cocoa. Very, very cute. Although I live in the South. But I will still make use of it. Even, you know, we do have some cold days. All right, and then I have a Peachycheap deal. So let's take a look at this. Oh, this is not the one that I thought it was. Okay. So this is the one I had such a hard time ordering. It was something wrong with the website that day. And, but I wrote them and they wrote me back and it was fixed, and I just knew I was going to miss this. But, I did get it. So this is nice. I really like these colors. Very cute. This would make a really cute mini album. And then you have the paper pack. This is an old collection, so I'm sure all of you have seen it. But just as a refresher, I guess, we'll take a look at it. Very, very cute. It's double-sided, make really cute tags and treat bags and such. Mini albums. Could do so much with this. Besides the obvious pocket documenting, pocket pages, Project Life. I think most people are moving from Project Life, but I still like Project Life. It, I think it helps. All right. And then I think that this is actually the best thing in here is the, I can't think of anything right now. All right. Very, very cute. All right, guys. So that is all I had to share for you today. Talk to you later. Bye.